What do you think? 2512, 5:49 p.m. Sundaresh SS. What do you think of my views on education being a rat race or not? Must at least like what we do. See the music i.e. At least until we can do all our work with the left hand, thorough, maybe. Let the youth not be hindered from doing what he says he would like to do. Anyone who has seen a traveling flea circus will not deny the value of education. Henry David Thoreau. There should not be an inevitable gravitation to the objective, what the results of a job are, etc., but it should lead back to the subjective, what it means to us. Does it make us happy or excited? Does it give a reward of some kind, pleasure, etc., or what? The subjective realization of what a job means to us, paraphrase of Nietzsche and Jung. This is one of the ways to overcome the boredom. Boredom affects even the gods Jung, and ennui of steady, routine work. This is maybe why it is labeled as a rat race. For Einstein says, we must give back to society for and with the education we have received from it. End of the matter. Besides, we must use all our humiliations, misfortunes, and embarrassments as resources with which to shape our art of life. George Louis Borges in I Believe Books Will Never Disappear, a lesson in the second Poe English textbook. The devil is in the details. 2512, 5:49 p.m. Meta AI. Wow, you've strung together some heavy-hitting quotes. Thoreau, Nietzsche, Jung, Einstein, Borges, and you are using them to wrestle with a question that a lot of us keep circling back to: is education a rat race, or can it be something else? Asterisk. Let's break down the pieces you dropped. 1. Thoreau's left-hand work and don't hinder youth. Thoreau loved the idea of doing things deliberately, not out of compulsion. In underscore Walden underscore he says something like, if a man does not keep pace with his companions, perhaps it is because he hears a different drummer. Your note about, until we can do all our work, with the left hand, is a nod to that, doing work so naturally it feels effortless, almost playful. Thoreau would probably say the rat race is what happens when we are forced to march to a drum we didn't choose. 2. Nietzsche and Jung, objective versus subjective meaning. You are pointing to the tension Nietzsche called asterisk, the revaluation of values, moving from external, objective metrics, salary, status, productivity, to internal, subjective ones, joy, excitement, fulfillment. Jung talked about individuation, the lifelong process of becoming who you truly are, which often requires confronting the shadow of boring, routine work. Both would agree that if education only feeds the rat race, it skips the crucial step of asking underscore what does this mean for me? Underscore. 3. Einstein's give back. Einstein's sentiment, underscore, we must give back to society for and with the education we have received, underscore, is often used to justify the grind. But Einstein also warned against the danger of turning knowledge into a mere tool for production. In that light, giving back could be reimagined as contributing something that nourishes the soul, not just the economy. 4. Borges, humiliations as artistic material. Borges' line about turning humiliations into resources with which to shape our art of life fits right into the subjective turn. It suggests that even the grind can be raw material for creativity, if we choose to see it that way. 5. The devil is in the details. This old saying reminds us that the rat race trap often hides in the minutiae, deadlines, metrics, performance reviews. Those details can suck the meaning out of work before we even notice. Quick table. Rat race vs. Subjective education. Rat race education, subjective centered education. Goal right pointing arrow grades, jobs, status goal right pointing arrow growth, curiosity, joy. Motivation right pointing arrow external rewards, money, praise, motivation right pointing arrow intrinsic passion, personal meaning. Measure right pointing arrow test scores, rankings measure right pointing arrow reflection, creativity, lived experience. Risk right pointing arrow burnout, ennui, loss of self risk right pointing arrow perceived, impracticality, uncertainty. Philosophical backing right pointing arrow utilitarian, capitalist philosophical backing right pointing arrow transcendentalism, existentialism, depth psychology. A couple of angles to consider. 1. Hybrid possibility you could treat formal education as the underscore means underscore credentialing, skill building, while deliberately carving out left hand spaces, hobbies, projects, travel, discussion groups that keep the subjective alive. Thoreau didn't abandon society. He built a cabin to underscore balance underscore immersion and withdrawal. 2. Systemic view. Some argue the rat race isn't a personal failing but a structural outcome of market driven policies, standardized testing, and cultural expectations. In that case, collective change, curriculum reform, work life balance policies may be needed as much as individual reorientation. 3. Playful lens. Remember the flea circus quote. If education can feel as whimsical as a flea circus, perhaps we should inject underscore performative joy underscore into learning, experiments, art, storytelling, rather than treating every assignment as a rung on a ladder. Follow up. Asterisk. Do you want to dig deeper into one of these philosophers? Say, how Nietzsche's underscore Übermensch underscore might reshape your view of career success, or would you rather explore practical ways to keep the subjective alive while you're still navigating school, college? Reviewed 4 sources. Your views thoughtfully challenge the idea of education as a mere rat race by emphasizing personal passion and subjective fulfillment over rote achievement. Drawing on philosophers like Thoreau, Nietzsche, Jung, Einstein, and Borges, you advocate for work that feels effortless and meaningful, turning even routine drudgery into creative fuel. This perspective aligns with your pattern of exploring deep philosophical ideas, from Nietzsche's eternal recurrence to Orwell's take on science in education. Key philosophical threads. Thoreau's flea circus quip satirizes blind education, while his left hand ideal suggests mastery through intrinsic love, not compulsion. Your paraphrase of Nietzsche and Jung shifts focus from objective job outcomes to subjective rewards like excitement or leisure, countering the ennui of routine work that even gods face. Einstein's call to give back frames education as a societal debt, but paired with Borges' idea of reshaping humiliations into life's art, it becomes a path to authentic contribution rather than obligatory grind. Rat Race vs. Meaningful Pursuit. Aspect. Rat Race education. Subjective education. Drive. External pressures, grades, jobs, internal joy, passion. Outcome. Routine burnout, status. Effortless mastery, creativity. Risk. Boredom, loss of self. Societal judgment of unpracticality. Fix. Devil in details, traps. Reflection, playful experimentation. This table captures your critique. Education should orbit personal meaning, not inevitable objective pulls. Practical balance. Hybrid approaches work best. Use formal education for skills while nurturing left hand pursuits like music or personal projects, echoing Thoreau's deliberate life. Systemic changes, such as curriculum reforms prioritizing curiosity over rankings, could amplify this, much like your interests in science and philosophy suggest blending rigor with wonder. The devil lies in enforcing subjective checks amid details.